A man succumbed to injuries he sustained in a two-vehicle crash on the Winston Jones Highway in Manchester on Sunday morning. His identity has not yet been released. Preliminary reports suggest that the crash happened in the wee hours. Firefighters said they received a call at 3:25 a.m. to respond to the crash. The circumstances that led to the accident, which involved a Toyota Camry and a Toyota Hiace, are still unclear. However, it is understood that a Toyota Hiace, which was delivering a newspaper, was traveling uphill towards Mandeville when the collision occurred. The driver of the Toyota Camry, who was pinned in the vehicle, had to be removed by firefighters. The drivers of both vehicles were taken to hospital where the driver of the Camry was pronounced dead and the driver of the Hiace admitted. Angry residents of Old Harbour Bay St. Catherine blocked sections of the roadway on Saturday to protest the killing of two men who they alleged were gunned down in cold blood by police. Reports said that the two men, who have since been identified as 23-year-old Nigeria Bailey and 21-year-old Daniel Mackenzie, were killed sometime after 10 p.m. during a confrontation with police. The Independent Commission of Investigation had launched a probe into the incident. In an audio release, Indecom Commissioner Hugh Faulkner said its forensic team processed the incident scene, collected the requisite exhibit, and seized the firearms involved. He said that the protesting residents and the police have given contrasting accounts of the incident, noting that the security force reported a firearm confrontation with armed men and the recovery of two firearms following the exchange. However, residents largely insist that the police acted unlawfully and that the men were hard-working individuals and not criminals. Residents were seen burning tires and barring security personnel from entering the community. During the protest, one woman was heard yelling, "Listen, Indecom can come, but no police can come through." One resident who spoke with the Observer Online claimed that one of the young men was just in the wrong place at the wrong time. The people then bawl, "Nigeria just there at the wrong place at the wrong time. He should never go down there with Daniel. If not, he would have been alive today," said the resident. "A Daniel them wants, a him them want, them kill off Nigeria with Daniel," added the resident. Superintendent Upton Nicholson of the St. Catherine North-South Police Division has appealed for calm in the area and has urged the residents to exercise restraint and allow safe passage for security personnel.